Hello. Welcome back to Talk with Spake.
Hi, everyone. We're happy you're here.
Today, we will talk about movies and music.
It's a fun topic, easy to understand, and very good for English practice.
Yes, because everyone likes movies and music.
Ethan, do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies very much.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies and comedy movies.
Comedy movies are fun.
Yes, they make me laugh and relax.
I like romantic movies and family movies.
Oh, that's nice.
Family movies feel warm and emotional.
Yes, we can watch them with family.
When do you watch movies?
I usually watch movies at night after dinner.
Me too, mostly on weekends.
Do you watch movies alone or with family?
With my family, we sit together and enjoy.
That sounds very nice.
Movies help us forget stress.
Yes, they make life more enjoyable.
Now, let's talk about music.
Yes, music is very important.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music and slow songs.
Slow songs are relaxing.
Yes, I listen to music when I feel tired.
I like music in the morning and at night.
Me too, especially at night.
Do you listen to music on your phone?
Yes, on my phone with headphones.
I use earphones. They feel light
Music helps us feel calm.
and happy.
Sometimes when I feel sad, music helps me.
Me too. It changes my mood.
Movies help us understand stories.
Music helps us feel emotions.
Together, they are powerful.
Very powerful.
They also help us learn English.
We hear words again and again.
Slowly, we understand.
No pressure.
No stress.
Just listen.
And enjoy.
Learning English can be fun.
Yes, with movies and music.
Practice a little every day.
Slow practice is best.
And enjoy the journey.
Yes, it makes life more beautiful.
Can I ask one more question?
Yes, of course.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, I do.
Which one?
I like old movies with good stories.
Old movies are special.
Yes, they feel simple and real.
I like movies with happy endings.
Happy endings make us smile.
They give hope.
Yes, hope is important.
Do you watch movies again and again?
Yes, some movies many times.
Me too, especially my favorites.
When I watch the same movie again, I notice new things.
Same here. New words, new feelings.
That is good for learning English.
Yes, listening again helps a lot.
Now, let's talk more about music.
Okay.
Do you like fast music?
Sometimes when I feel energetic.
I listen to fast music when I exercise.
Music gives energy.
Yes, it changes our mood.
What is your favorite singer?
I don't have just one.
That's okay.
I like singers with calm voices.
Calm voices feel peaceful.
Yes, they help me sleep.
Do you listen before sleeping?
Yes, almost every night.
Me too. Soft music, low volume.
That is good for the mind.
Music is like a friend.
Yes, always with us.
At home,
On the bus,
while walking,
while studying.
movies and music are part of life.
Yes, everyday life.
They help us relax.
They help us learn.
They help us feel.
More human.
If you want to improve English,
Watch movies.
listen to music
Slowly.
calmly.
Without pressure.
Enjoy the sound.
Enjoy the words.
Enjoy the story.
And enjoy learning.
Because learning should feel good.
Yes, not stressful.
Just one step at a time.
Small steps every day.
That is enough.
Yes, it makes progress.
Slow but strong.
And in the end,
You feel confident.
you feel happy.
You feel proud.
Yes, it makes life more beautiful.
Can we give a small tip to everyone?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Friends, when you watch movies,
Try watching with subtitles first.
English subtitles.
Listen carefully.
Read slowly.
Pause if needed.
Repeat the lines.
Again and again.
Don't hurry.
Learning takes time.
And with music,
Listen to the song.
read the lyrics.
Sing softly.
Even if your voice is not perfect,
It's okay.
no one is judging.
Just enjoy.
Enjoy the rhythm.
Enjoy the sound.
Enjoy the language.
English becomes easier,
When you enjoy it,
not when you fear it.
fear stops learning.
Enjoyment helps learning.
So remember,
Movies are teachers.
music is a teacher.
Every day,
Every moment,
you can learn.
even while relaxing.
That is the best way.
Slow
Simple,
and natural.
just like this conversation.
We talk slowly
So you can follow.
so you can repeat,
So you can speak.
little by little,
Word by word.
sentence by sentence.
You will improve.
Trust the process
Believe in yourself.
and keep practicing.
Yes, practice is the key.
Can we talk about favorite actors?
Yes, that's interesting.
Movies feel special because of actors.
True. Actors bring stories to life.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, I do.
Who is it?
I like actors who feel real.
Real, like everyday people?
Yes, natural acting.
That makes movies more believable.
Exactly.
I like actors with kind faces.
Kind faces feel comforting.
They make me feel safe and calm.
Movies should do that.
Not always loud,
Not always fast.
sometimes slow,
Sometimes emotional.
just like life.
Yes, life is not a race.
Music is the same.
Very true.
Some songs are fast.
Some songs are slow.
Some songs make us happy.
Some songs make us think.
Do you have a favorite singer?
I like singers with soft voices.
Soft voices feel peaceful
They help me relax.
after a long day.
Yes,
When I feel sad,
music understands.
it feels like a friend
A quiet friend.
who listens.
Without asking questions.
That's beautiful.
Movies do that too,
They show emotions.
without explaining too much.
That's why movies and music.
Are perfect for learning English.
You hear real words,
Real feelings,
real situations.
not textbook language.
So learners,
Don't be afraid.
just listen,
Just feel.
just enjoy
English will come.
naturally. Do you think movies help us learn?
Yes, very much.
How?
We hear real conversations,
People talking,
laughing,
crying,
arguing.
just like real life.
Exactly.
Music helps too.
Yes,
Songs repeat words.
again and again.
That helps memory.
Slow songs are best.
Easy to follow.
Easy to feel.
Do you sing along?
Sometimes,
Me too.
even if my voice is not good.
That's okay.
Learning is not about perfect.
It's about trying.
Yes,
When I watch movies,
I listen carefully.
I notice new words,
New expressions.
new emotions.
All together.
That makes learning
More fun.
not stressful,
Not boring.
just enjoyable.
Like a hobby.
Exactly.
Movies and music.
Can be part.
Of daily life.
You don't need
Long study hours.
just a little time.
Every day.
One song.
One scene.
That's enough.
Slowly.
Your English grows
Naturally.
without pressure.
Without fear.
Just confidence.
Yes.
Confidence comes,
From comfort.
and comfort comes.
From enjoying.
Movies,
Music.
they connect us
Across cultures.
across languages.
Across feelings.
That's why they are powerful.
For learning and for life.
Ethan, movies can help with speaking too.
Yes, they really help.
How do they help speaking?
We hear real sentences.
Real speed,
Real emotions.
real pauses.
And real feelings.
When we listen,
We copy.
the sound,
The rhythm.
the tone,
Slowly.
our speaking improves
Without forcing.
without fear.
Music helps too.
Yes, music is special.
Songs teach.
Pronunciation
Stress.
and feeling.
When we sing softly.
We feel the words.
Not just read them.
Slow songs,
Are best.
easy to repeat.
Easy to remember.
Music makes English
Sound natural.
not robotic.
Yes.
You can use movies
In daily life.
in the morning,
Listen to one song.
while cooking,
Play soft music.
at night.
Watch one short scene.
Just 5 minutes,
Is enough.
no long study.
No pressure.
This way,
English becomes normal.
like a habit,
Yes.
slow practice,
Builds confidence.
fear slowly.
Goes away.
You stop thinking,
About mistakes.
you start speaking.
With comfort.
That is important.
Very important.
Let's practice.
Very softly.
Repeat after me.
Slowly.
I like movies.
I like music.
Movies help me speak.
Music helps me feel.
I practice every day.
Slowly and calmly.
I am not afraid.
I am learning.
That's it.
Very simple.
Very gentle.
Very effective.
Remember,
English is not hard.
it just needs
Time.
and patience.
Yes.
Movies,
Music.
they guide us.
Step by step.
Day by day,
And slowly.
we become confident.
Yes.
Thank you.
for listening.
And practicing.
See you again.
Take care.
And keep learning.